Hello, welcome to our farm. Our farm is located in Kenya, Kiambu County. We began this farm back in 2018, the year 2018, and we began with one bull. Actually, we began with a bull, and after raising the bull for approximately 6 months, we realized that our target market was not that ideal as far as the meat market was concerned. So we switched gears and decided to do the dairy farming. And since then we've grown tentatively from one milking cow. After selling off the bull, we bought a milking cow. Her name was called Queen. There is a story to that which we shall discuss, or rather share, in another episode. But for now, after doing buying the dairy milking cow, we began the journey, and then now the family has grown from one dairy cow to 10. 5 milking cows and 5 calves. And we can interact with them. Currently, the main shed holds 7 sleeping chambers. And then we have the 7, the beginning of the 7 is, the first one is next to the milking parlor. The milking parlor is this one. The first chamber is occupied by Madam Favor. She's a high yielder. Currently, she's on heat. She's doing 14.5 liters per day. On the second chamber is Madam Esther, or Essie. She's doing 7 liters per day. This because she is 4 months pregnant. That is relevant and ideal. Here we have Emma. She wants to say hi. She's doing 14.5 liters also per day. Very beautiful cow. Resting well without any bother in the world is Madam Miriam. She's currently our high producer at the moment. She's doing 17 liters per day. And next to her is Madam Summer. She's doing, she's actually dry because she's 7 months old, pregnant. 7 months pregnant. So she's due to calve in the next month but one. And next to her we have the 2 mature calves which have been inseminated, but we are still monitoring their heat cycle. And then she's called Terry. She's called Anna. And we have our structures here, feeding structures, which are predominantly from readily available material. These are drums that we've cut into half to recreating them into feeding troughs. The structure itself is firm, made from timber, and the roof is iron sheeted, 3 meters long iron sheets. The ideality of it is that we try as much as possible to reduce the cost of construction and capitalize on cost of production, so that we may gain so much. But in future, we want to also create a farmer structure which will have less wear and tear and repair, because this kind of structure has so much wear and tear. We have 3 heifers resting. These are from this herd. The red one is a daughter to Emma. The white one, black and white one, on this extreme, this one here, is a daughter to Favor, and the black one here is a daughter to Essie. So you can see that we are recreating and ensuring that our farm is relevant and outgrows us. So thank you so much for that tour. We are going to continue engaging each other and ensuring that we can inform each other on how best we can improve the farm, how best we can do our farming. We have put in the mattresses. The mattresses are simply to ensure comfortability and ensure that the cows are comfortable and not irritated by their surrounding, ensuring that maximum production is realized. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for going through us, going with us through this journey. We trust that this will be a blessed platform that will yield more. Thank you so much, and God bless. See you on the next one. Thank you.